Hi friends, I want to share something. Someone asked me, Gwen, can we do a workshop on fascia? I said, yes, absolutely, let's do it. So starting this weekend, I'll be offering a 5-part fascia workshop series. It will cover a myriad topics, the anatomy. We'll be experientially working with soft manipulative tools to move and experience the tissue and the information that it provides, interoceptive, proprioceptive, movement skill learning. We'll be using the tools in conjunction with breathing exercises and meditations. So think supercharge your resilience and your recovery. If you're an athlete who's a little bit dried out, it's getting a little tired at this part of your training, come in. This will be a supercharge to your recovery protocols. Deep rest, nervous system paradise. All right, so if you want more details, there's a link. Bloip on it. I'll enumerate them here if you want to stick with. Starting this weekend, October 26 and 27. We'll be going through the foot and the leg line. We'll be discussing proprioception, interoception. We'll be discussing and working with the diaphragm, the thoracolumbar area, and the resilience and the maintenance and the healing response of the body. We'll also get into the diaphragm and breathing as a bridge between the conscious and the unconscious. Then we'll get into vocalizing and sound as it vibrates and connects to the tissues. The last couple will be amazing for teachers and those who do hands-on work, for those who do person-to-person work. In the vocalizing session and the adjustments portions, we'll be using sound to speak directly to the body, directly to the tissue, directly to the bone, to the blood, to the meat of the matter. We'll also work adjustments so that we're feeling the tissue and its interconnection through the body to understand how to help that person energetically, how to create great positionings that are structurally sound and energetically continuous. This all promotes the healing response, and this all promotes and complements our training. Quite honestly, I haven't heard anyone present the material in the way that I am going to, so I really hope this is interesting to you. I'm pretty stoked. Please come along. You have to sign up to join. There are some spots available, and I hope to see you there. I love you. See you soon.